Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. See, so by now, some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might have heard about a former Jamaican police officer and two other persons who had been charged with murder of a man within United States of America. Now, just to make it very clear, viewers and subscribers, this whole situation is not no recent thing. This is something that have been developing from years now. Yes, what I say? But let me get to certain details, alright? So, it is said that a former Jamaican police officer and two other persons had been charged with murdering a man and seriously injuring another person during what is believed to be a home invasion robbery. So it is said that the incident happened within the month of October within the year 2019. You hear that, my people? Now when it comes on to all of those persons who have been charged, one of those persons goes by the first name of Devon. That person is said to be in his 30s. Another one of those persons goes by the name of Andre Andrews. That person is also said to be in his 30s, viewers and subscribers. And the person who is said to be the former Jamaican police officer and also goes by the name of Omar Miller is said to be in his 40s, and some people also know him as Miller 9. Alright, well listen, my people. So now charges includes among those three persons are felony count of murder and other counts of murder, viewers and subscribers. Me don't really want to get into the details, but listen to this part. It is said that the three men are also charged with special circumstances of murder committed during the commission of a robbery and murder committed during the commission of a burglary. Now, information had been put out there from 2020 saying that all three men could be eligible for the death penalty if convicted on all charges. When it comes on to the incident where it is said that the man had been killed, viewers and subscribers, it is said that a man told officers that he and his roommate had been assaulted inside a home. So officers entered the residence or entered the home and found a second man who was suffering from several gunshot wounds. So both victims were taken to hospital, and the gunshot victim, who was later on identified by a person who goes by the first name of Raymond and also is said to be 20-year-old at the time when the incident happened, was pronounced dead, viewers and subscribers. So make it very clear, the incident happened within United States of America. See, I think it's a place, we don't call that place the Irvine. So it is said that the person who goes by the first name of Devon, that is one of those persons who had been charged, was arrested by police sometime within the month of December, the year 2019, viewers and subscribers. Then say by Irvine police or by police, you see me? That happened within a city area, and it is said that Irvine police, with the assistance of Federal Bureau of Investigation, that are what people call FBI, arrested Andrews and Miller in Fort Lauderdale, Florida on the same day. Yes, I say on the same day it says. So Andrews and Miller were extradited back to California within the month of January. That's the year 2020. And at a certain time within the year 2020, it is said that all of those three persons had been held without bail, viewers and subscribers. See? And I'm getting information that both Miller and Andrews are charged with 9 similar counts. That also includes murder, my people, and robbery and burglary and firearm related offenses. Now, when it comes on to the former police officer viewers and subscribers, may I get the understanding that this is not the first time Miller had some form of brush with the law, as all some people might say, viewers and subscribers, because it is said that Miller was one of 4 police officers who walked free when it comes on to the murder trial of a 18-year-old person, viewers and subscribers. He was found not guilty in 2011 while he was serving as a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. So, Dancehall Skilla will always try my best to bring information to you as accurate as possible. And if I don't know something, I don't sure about something, I'm going to be real and I'm going to tell you the truth. That's just me. So if you like the way I bring information to you, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. I read a news article that have me thinking, viewers and subscribers. And me not take this thing for no joke, but me really and truly I think. As I say, because news article say a Senton Guesthouse owner charged for alleged rape, assault of a visitor. Now when we read the news article and me see the news article, I said this are the age of the person and so forth. I said to myself, say, alright, you know what, me not gonna say certain things. Me just go explain to you in my words how me understand some of the words I'm reading in a news article. See me? Or I might just read some of the words, but not word for word as to how certain words in a news article. But listen, so the news article says police have charged a man who is said to be in his 60s and is said to be a Senton Guesthouse owner for allegedly making his way into a woman's room and having sex with her against her will. Now, the news article basically said that the person in a late 60s now. See? Not late 60s, but past the halfway, I go to the late 60s. You understand? The reason why I say that like that because sometimes the information is not accurate. But listen this. So another part of the article say the businessman who goes by a certain name, because I don't want to say no name yet because sometimes you don't know them situation I can turn out. Zane, and of a certain address as well, has been charged with rape, buggery, unlawful detention, and assault occasioning actual bodily harm. Buggery. Alright, so the article said a date had been set for the man to appear in court, viewing subscribers, and that the police say the incident happened on the morning of a certain day within the month of May, the year 2023. Yes, so may I say? So the article says according to police, sometime at about 10 a.m., the man gained entry to the woman's room where he allegedly had sexual intercourse with her. Saying based on the context against her will. So she reportedly attempted to escape and was allegedly hit in the face by the man, viewers and subscribers. So it is said that a report was made to the police, and on arrival at the premises, the man was pointed out by the woman and he was subsequently arrested and charged. So may I say, some people, I hope you understand why may I say the news article have me thinking. Because if those allegations are accurate and if those allegations are true, notice me say if and me say allegations, you know. You understand me? Because I just want to jump to no conclusion. So may I say if those allegations are accurate and if those allegations are true, then a straight out of than this. Yeah man. Straight wrong and out of than is that. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell as well so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. So I got information that a a man who is said to be St. James' most wanted man and also goes by the last name of Gallimore, is among 3 persons who were killed during a confrontation with law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica. So according to information that I got, it is said that guns have been found and seized, the viewers and subscribers, see? And it is said that along with the person who goes by the last name of Gallimore, it's understood that his second in command was killed during a joint police military operation in a certain location, what they call it, Barrett Town area of St. James. So may I say? So it is said that police say that the 3 men killed have been linked to 10 murders in the parish. But me get a different information about that, but it's okay. Now some of you might have say at least a post that had been made on at least one social media page for the Jamaica Constabulary Force, where the post basically indicate that police or law enforcers or members of Jamaica Constabulary Force are come for the person who goes by the last name of Gallimore. See? So when me I get my information, me I say to myself, say, well, come like them in business. That me said to myself, see me I say, So it is said that the police reported that the security forces were met with heavy gunfire when they cornered the person who goes by the last name of Gallimore, who is said to be the person who was considered as the most wanted in the parish there, so St. James, as I say. Yes, so it is said that the police reported that the security forces were met with heavy gunfire when they cornered Gallimore and others, and that the security forces took evasive action and then returned fire. So it is said that when the shooting subsided, Gallimore and others were seen laying on the ground. So it is said that Gallimore and 2 other persons were taken to hospital where they were pronounced dead. I mean, I say nothing more now. Yes, I'm going to leave it to my people. So big up and respect to each and every one. And don't be afraid to check out more of my contents them. I don't know Dancehall Skilla doing thing already. Alright? Alright, so until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.